When running non-metallic sheet cable, also known as NM cable, through floor or ceiling joists, the use of beam clips is recommended. Stapling NM cable directly to wooden joists can damage the cable insulation and create a fire hazard. Beam clips provide a safe and more flexible method of securing NM cable without stapling. Beam clips are also ideal for securing multiple NM cables in a parallel bundle to prevent tangles and maintain proper spacing. In areas where the ceiling or floor is inaccessible, beam clips allow cables to be easily removed or added later without having to disrupt finished surfaces. It is not recommended to staple 2 NM cables under one staple. Each cable should have its own staple to ensure proper support and prevent excessive bending. To install beam clips, firstly, identify the type of beam you are working with, whether it's a joist, rafter, or similar. Secondly, select the appropriate beam clip for your beam size. Thirdly, position the beam clip on the beam and secure it with a screw. Fourthly, insert the NM cable or cables into the clip. Fifthly, if multiple cables are being used, space them evenly within the clip. For additional tips, use a staple gun specifically designed for NM cable. Maintain a minimum of 1.25 inches of bend radius for NM cable to prevent damage. Keep cables at least 6 inches away from light fixtures and other heat-producing devices. Always follow local building codes and industry best practices when wiring. Proper use of beam clips ensures that NM cable is safely and effectively secured, reducing the risk of damage and potential hazards. These clips are especially useful when dealing with multiple cables or in areas where future access might be needed. Always prioritize safety and compliance with electrical codes when performing any electrical work.